Welcome to our video, guys. So in this video we're gonna learn how you can use FileVeda. So simply visit FileVeda, then select file share, or you can convert your image type. So you need to select your file. You can select multiple files also, add them. You can remove unwanted file also. Then simply share this link to your friend or your another PC, then hit enter. Yes. So you can see we receive our files. Yeah, you can download it. So files are downloaded. You can open it. We support all the file types, including MP4, media files also. You can share your QR code to your friend or your PC to phone. You can simply scan this with your phone and receive your PC files in your phone. Or you can send this ID to your friend to connect manually. Uh, yeah, you need to paste it here.